Let's learn phonics today. Let's read this book together. It's a book about a bus journey and it has plenty of phonics sounds and words in here. The Big Red Bus. Alison Hawes and Woody Fox. A big red bus is at the bus stop. It is the bus to Nut Hill. We get on the bus. We get a trip to Nut Hill. We sit at the back of the bus. The bus is fast. We grab onto the rail. We pass the pond and the clock. We get to Nut Hill at last. I press the bell to get off. Granddad is at the bus stop. I run up and hug him. This is a map showing the journey the bus travelled from the bus stop to the Nut Hill bus stop. Can you remember what happened on the journey? Have you ever travelled on a bus? Where did you travel to? How about we do an exercise? How was Grandad in this story? Was he happy? Was he pleasant? Was he kind? Was he jolly? Do you think it would be a good idea to write Grandad a postcard to thank him for the journey? Tell me what you think. Write it down, draw pictures. If you remember any words you've learnt today, write them down too. Thank you for listening and join us again.